Hello, this is Jordan here from UPrint SA. We're doing a bottle order of 600 sports bottles, branding onto 3 different colors: green, white and black. Okay, rubbing on our activator onto the surface of the bottle. Hudson's using his palm to rub it evenly across the surface. Okay, he's bending his logo in place. Left index finger, and then uses his right index finger to apply pressure. That cloth has activator on it, so it's creating a frictionless surface. There's no friction on the surface when using a nice wet cloth on that logo. There's no sticker involved here. It is toner transferring directly from the paper to the bottle, giving you a finished logo. So each bottle is printed. Left here, this has not been sprayed yet. We move on to the spraying station. Okay, get them ready. You can do a spray here for me. Okay. Alright, bottle sprayed. And then left to dry over here. The next process will be heat. I'll move on to that next. Just want to show you the difference between the colors here. This is unfused, no chemical, and that has chemical on it. You can see the colors take shape. The chemical reveals the color, and then we use heat. The next step we're going to do here, we're going to heat up the bottle. We can go for it. Okay, nice and slow movement, up and down, hitting every part of the logo. It's very important to do this. Okay, and you're done. Next bottle. So each bottle, I'll go for the next one there. Each bottle must be taken seriously. If you do not heat up the logo properly, when it cools down, it's not going to be scratch resistant or dishwasher proof. Very important to do a nice heating session on each bottle. Alright, thanks. And that's how we do our sports bottles. That is the end result.